Today I am talking about tense. Without knowing tense, you could not create sentences and talking in English properly, as it is an international communication language in the world. Naturally, you have to know tense thoroughly to get knowledge in English. Tense means time and time positions. These two factors work as tense. Tense divides into three kinds, and these are present tense, past tense, and future tense. Now I am going to second slide. Each tense further divides into four categories according to their times. Now I am taking present tense, which divides into four kinds like present tense. Number one, present indefinite tense. Number two, present continuous tense. Number three, present perfect tense. Number four, present perfect continuous tense. Now I am going to third slide. Past tense. Number one, past indefinite tense. Number two, past continuous tense. Number three, past perfect tense. Number four, past perfect continuous tense. Future tense. Number one, future indefinite tense. Future continuous tense. Future perfect tense. Now I am going to four slide. Number four, future perfect continuous tense. Details of each tense, like present tense, past tense, and future tense, will be discussed in the next videos, which are to be followed one by one till the end of the tense classes. Thank you. Now I am ending the class for the day. This is the first class. You will see again and again so that you will improve yourself without helping others. Please try again and again accordingly.